Okay, the next concept that we are going to discuss is a DC motor. As we have studied Fleming's left hand rule, that forefinger indicates the direction of magnetic field, middle finger indicates the direction of current flow, and thumb indicates the direction of mechanical force produced on the conductor carrying current. Same concept we are going to use here in order to study the DC motor. Now, what is motor? Motor is a device which converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. That is, it uses current to produce mechanical force. Now, let us see the parts of DC motor. You can see here in this diagram, this is north pole and this is south pole, as in Fleming's left hand rule we have discussed. The magnetic lines of forces will originate from north and end with south. You can see here, north to south, magnetic lines of forces are originating north and ending with south. That is indicated by the forefinger of left hand. Then the conductor which was carrying current in the Fleming's left hand rule is the ABCD coil, which is taken here. ABCD rectangular coil. This ABCD rectangular coil is attached to the split rings. These are the rings you can see here. These are the rings. These are called as split rings. And through split rings, these are the carbon brushes here. X and Y is shown here. These are the carbon brushes, small carbon brushes, X and Y. And from here, carbon brushes, a wire is attached to the battery, positive terminal of the battery and negative terminal of the battery. K is a key which is used to on and off the flow of current. Now, when the current flows, when we switch on the key, when the key is closed, where current is flowing through the wire and the rectangular coil, you can see here, this is the direction of current flow. This is the direction of current flow. Okay. So, when current passes through this coil, there will be a magnetic field on this coil, and due to that magnetic field, a force is created on this rectangular coil, and that force makes this motor to produce a rotational motion, where current electricity is used in order to produce the mechanical energy. Okay. Now, what are the uses? What is the use of this split rings? Split rings are used in order to maintain the unidirectional flow of current. Carbon brushes are used here because they have high melting point. They withstand high temperature, where due to friction between the split rings and carbon brushes,